try to attribute that is the Hispanic Mexican. That right there, the real Mexicans with those straw hats. You dig?
Check.
Where does straw grow? Where does straw grow to? What land does it grow? Who cultivated the straw? Probably the people that already always lived there. Just a thought.
Yep.
And look how he's dressed. Look how he's dressed. Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt. Man, look at his shirt right there.
He dressed like Ricky Ricardo. Or Ricky Ricardo from Lucille, the show, Lucille Ball. That's the original ending. Ricky Ricardo, the high yellow dude, right? Total different thing. And that's and you're saying that's Miss Maya Angelou, the badass poet. That sister, her poetry was on point. Yeah, I can see the picture. I'm listening. She was?
No, he looks like Martin Luther King in the back. Standing up. He looks like Martin Luther King a little bit.
Yeah. I can see that. I mean, hell, we all the same damn people. We all gonna look like somebody around her. You know what I'm saying? That's us. You know how you run into certain people and you be like, damn, you remind me of my cousin or my brother or whatever, right?
Man, people look at me like that.
That's us.
Right.